Hello friends, welcome to my channel MD Leather Product Skill Development and Training Program. Guys, if you are educated or uneducated and searching for a good job, then this video is only on for you. Friends, I am going to explain you about leather industries. This industries is very big and very unique also. But I am going to explain you online about skilled and technical. Finished product leather goods how it's made, like women's bag, men's wallet, belts and lots of things. Friends, you do one thing, subscribe to my channel and watch my one by one upcoming video. And afterwards you will become a skilled and technical person and you will get a good job any big leather goods manufacturing company with good salary, and you can start your own business also. Friends, you can join me online or offline. Link in description. Thank you.